Thank you, sir. Thanks for all the support for the same event. So, can you just please introduce yourself and your offering solution to the whole gamut of BMSI?
I'm Harish Gur, Director of Services Solutions. We are more than 5-year-old company now into automation space. Automation is a very general term. To be more specific, we do end-to-end process automation regardless of whether the process is happening inside the office, they call it back office, mid office, or it is happening on the field. We are the company that combines multiple technologies and then gives end-to-end solution. For example, we have combined the BPM, that is business process management, DMS, document management system, RPA, robotics process automation, mobile image processing, means the ability to capture documents, compress them very highly, and then do also correction if required. And of course, the new generation technologies which are coming up, like artificial intelligence. We have combined all of those, and then we have given these solutions to the banks. Banks have accrued huge benefit. In fact, we have created some records or benchmarks, as you may call them. These benchmarks are very unique. Wherever we have done a particular automation for a product line, that product line has become the largest. For example, in one of the largest banks in India, we did gold loan product, and it has reached a loan book of around 12,000 crores, which is very, very huge. They are continuing to generate something like 4,000 loans every day. For another case in microfinance, we uh, changed the scale at which they were operating. In a very short while after they came onto our platform, they started generating as many as roughly 15,000 loans a day. And this was made possible only because of the technology that we have. So different lenders, different banks have different product lines which they want to push in the market and want to gain money. There was another company which was doing construction finance. So we did automation of that, and then they met RERA compliance. They were able to get NOCs online. They were able to let their customers, who are builders in this case, take the tranches or request the tranches online, and they have they've been able to increase the productivity by more than 50% in their entire show. The new lines like consumer durables, which are like very very competitive lines of business, people have using our all combined technologies in order to automate completely. So for one large bank who has taken our entire product portfolio, including BPM, including DMS, including RPA, and mobile image capture, that is mobile image processing, we are able to sanction a loan, not pre-approved, but properly sanction a loan in less than 60 seconds. And most of their loans which are getting generated through outlets where like Vijay Sales of the world, they are able to give the loans immediately to the customers. Customers are happy, and they are increasing their market share by leaps and bounds. So we have huge number of different solutions for different type of customers depending on the product, etc. We do not only the lending side of loan origination for different products, we also do disbursements, we do retail, we do corporate, we also do liability accounts like account opening for a very large banking correspondent which turned into a bank. We did that big time. And we are the only company uniquely present in this part of the world which has combined so many technologies. To my knowledge, no other company exists which has done so many things.
Great, sir. So, how do you view this such kind of events or this particular events to helping build a brand or business?
I think you are doing a great job by inviting people like me who have served the industry for about 25 years plus, and then calling your users like banks and NBFCs by bringing them together on the same platform. You are creating immense value because those people are coming to know what innovations we have done, and we of course get to know a lot of their problems, and hence we continue to refine our solutions.